Hello dear students, welcome to in this video. Today we will learn about soil pollution and sound pollution. First we will learn about soil pollution. Soil pollution. With increased population, there is an even increased demand for the food every day. Because of this demand, different type of fertilizers, insecticides, etc. are being used to increase the produce. Of this, there are certain minerals which, when present in excess, pollute the soil and reduce its fertility. Hence, it is being advised to use natural manures like cow dung to increase the fertility of the land. जनसंख्या वृद्धि के साथ साथ भोजन की आवश्यकता भी दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ती जा रही है, जिसके कारण पैदावार को बढ़ाने के लिए अलग अलग की रासायनिक खाद, कीटनाशी आदि का प्रयोग किया जा रहा है। इनमें से कुछ रासायनिक पदार्थ ऐसे हैं जिनकी अधिकता भूमि को प्रदूषित करती है और धीरे धीरे इसकी उपजाऊ शक्ति को कम कर देती है। इसीलिए खेतों में अधिक से अधिक प्राकृतिक खाद जैसे गोबर की खाद आदि का उपयोग करने की सलाह दी जा रही है। What is soil pollution? Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful substance that can adversely affect the quality of the soil and the health of those living on it. Soil pollution is part of land degradation is caused by the presence of xenobiotics, human-made chemicals, or other alteration in the nature soil environment. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agriculture, chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Soil pollution causes by microplastics, deforestation, oil spill, industrial processes, agrochemicals such as pesticides and herbicides, road debris, waste disposal, construction, transportation, nuclear waste, acid rain, etc. Soil pollution affects health effects, effect on microorganisms, effect on animals, effect on the fertility of plants, change in pH level, effect on soil structure. Next, sound pollution. Now we shall talk about a different type of pollution. Those of you who live in city would have seen that vehicle start playing on the road early in the morning. The engines and the horn of those vehicles produce a lot of sound. अब हम एक अलग प्रकार के प्रदूषण की बात करेंगे। आप में से जो शहर में रहते हैं उन्होंने देखा होगा कि सुबह होते ही सड़कों पर वाहन दौड़ने लगते हैं और वाहनों के इंजन और हॉर्न से तेज आवाज़ या ध्वनि निकलती है। If we are constantly exposed to high-pitched sound, then our ability to hear is reduced or even we can become deaf. Sound pollution also affects our health. We become more irritable, which can lead to headaches and other type of sickness. लगातार बहुत तेज आवाज़ कानों पर पड़ते रहे तो इससे मनुष्य के सुनने की क्षमता कम हो जाती है या वह बहरा हो जाता है। ध्वनि प्रदूषण का स्वास्थ्य पर भी खराब पड़ता है। मनुष्य चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता है, उसे सिर दर्द, चक्कर आना आदि शारीरिक कष्ट हो सकते हैं। What is sound pollution? Sound that is unwanted or disrupt one's quality of life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. The unwanted, unpleasant or disagreeable sound that causes discomfort for all living beings. Noise level 30 to 60 decibel normal and 80 decibel more, 140 decibel painful. Noise pollution cases by traffic noise, noise from construction work, noise from the industries, etc. Noise pollution affects hearing loss, high blood pressure, sleep disturbance, irritability, headache, etc.